Croissant, from Vienna to Paris. Welcome back to Taste of Culture. Today, we are taking you on a delicious journey from Vienna to Paris as we explore the history, art, and techniques of the croissant. Join us as we dive into the origins of the croissant, the different styles of preparation, and the meticulous techniques used in its creation. The croissant has a fascinating history, with its roots in the Austrian Kipferl, a crescent-shaped pastry that dates back to the 13th century. The croissant as we know it today was popularized in France in the 19th century, where it became a staple of French breakfasts and a symbol of Parisian culture. There are several key steps in the preparation of croissants, each contributing to their unique flaky texture and buttery flavor. Making the dough. The dough is made from a mixture of flour, water, yeast, sugar, and salt, creating a base for the croissant. Laminating the dough. Butter is incorporated into the dough through a process called lamination, which involves folding and rolling the dough multiple times to create thin layers of butter and dough. Shaping the croissants. The laminated dough is rolled out and cut into triangles, which are then rolled up to form the iconic crescent shape. Proofing and baking. The shaped croissants are allowed to rise before being baked to golden perfection. There are several variations of croissants, each with its distinct characteristics and flavors. Plain croissant, the classic buttery, flaky pastry enjoyed by millions around the world. Almond croissant, filled with almond paste and often topped with sliced almonds and powdered sugar. Chocolate croissant, pain au chocolat, filled with a rich chocolate filling, perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Ham and cheese croissant, a savory twist on the classic croissant, filled with ham and cheese for a satisfying meal. We hope you enjoyed this delicious journey from Vienna to Paris and learned more about the fascinating world of croissants. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Taste of Culture for more mouth-watering adventures.